In this video we are going to talk about import functionality in Bird on Cloud application. After logging into Bird application, traverse to the left top corner where 3 horizontal lines are present. Select the Create item in the menu bar. At the top right corner select the Import template. Upload the CIDF file from the folder. If the dashboard type is a flat file, you will be prompted to upload the respective flat file. It is extremely important that the file name, file extension, the sheet name, and the column names of the selected file match the source of CIDF file. If the selected file matches, then the wizard will proceed to the next screens. Click on Finish button of wizard to complete the import of a storyboard. Save the storyboard. This is all about import functionality of Bird on Cloud application. Thank you.